Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dominic Gagliano, and I'm back in the Lexus of Las Vegas shop to talk about maintenance. This month, we're offering $50 off routine maintenance, available all month long till the end of the month. I decided to come in here and ask John, the expert, what routine maintenance means to me, to you, to everyone else, because maybe we don't know. So come on over. Hey, John.
Hey.
You having a busy day?
Yeah.
So, I'm here to find out what routine maintenance means.
Well, a lot of it here depends on mileage.
Yeah.
So there's maintenance every 5 and 10,000. Every 5,000 is usually just a tire rotation.
Yep.
10,000, oil change, cabin filter, another tire rotation, and then there's 30Ks. That would be...
That's like the most important one, right?
Yeah, 30Ks and 60Ks are the most important.
Do those to your cars for sure.
Yeah, they help it run a lot longer. So 30Ks also would be a brake fluid flush to keep the brake fluid clean so the brakes are working better. It also is an engine air filter to help the engine breathe better.
Yep.
With a clean filter. And then the rest of it 10K. Well, it also has a key battery.
Cool.
So your key fob doesn't die on you.
So it's kind of like overhauling at 30,000, making sure everything is working well.
Yeah.
At that point at 30,000 miles, right?
Yep.
And we're offering $50 off routine maintenance, so basically anything. You'll talk to your service advisor, of course, to see what qualifies, but routine maintenance pretty much covers everything, right?
Yeah,
yep.
Everything.
And you would recommend routine maintenance on a regular basis on your car, right?
Yeah,
if you had to name like 2 of the most important things to do to your car on a regular basis, I think I know what the first one is, but...
Well, oil changes, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
Tire rotations help your tires last a lot longer.
Yep.
And then the major services are very good to do.
Very good.
They help the car run a lot longer.
Cool. So if they get that routine maintenance, you're probably going to be working on their car, right?
Most likely.
Yep. I would come in and get John to work on my car. He's excellent. Anything else? No?
Should be it.
He's working hard. You can see he's already sweating for the day. So we'll get back in the office. We'll see you in the service department at Lexus of Las Vegas. Have a great day.